Welcome to the first lesson of this course. This is lesson number 1. Let us continue with our lesson. So today we are going to learn about the alphabets. There are 26 alphabet letters in English language. So let us look at them. The first one is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Those are the alphabet letters in English language. They are 26. Now, it is also important for you to know that in the alphabet letters, we have two groups. Group number 1, we have the vowels. And group number 2, those are the consonants. We have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. The 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Those are the 5 vowels. And then when we get the vowels and we subtract from the 26, then we remain with 21 consonants. So we go back here and we say B is consonant, C is consonant, D is consonant, E is vowel. Consonant, 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 vowel. Consonant, 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 vowel. Consonant, 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 vowel. Consonant, 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 and this is a consonant. You get? So 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Let us move on to part 2 of this lesson.